Welcome to Beautyistic, where we focus on bringing you honest, in-depth reviews to help you make better choices when it comes to your beauty routine. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to tackle the signs of aging without irritating sensitive skin. Aveeno's Calms Restore Age Renewal Anti-Wrinkle Face Serum. It's marketed as an anti-aging serum that smooths out fine lines and wrinkles, hydrates, and improves skin tone and texture. But does it deliver on those promises? Let's find out. Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Age Renewal Face Serum is a fragrance-free, anti-aging treatment that's specifically formulated for sensitive skin. It's packed with nourishing oat and cranberry extract, which are known for their soothing properties. The formula also includes niacinamide, vitamin B3, known for its brightening and skin repairing qualities, as well as cranberry extract, a plant-based alternative to retinol that's gentle but effective in reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. I've been using this serum for about 2 weeks now, so let me share my experience. First off, the texture is silky smooth and light, perfect for layering under your moisturizer. I love that it doesn't feel heavy or greasy, and it absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving it feeling hydrated but not slick. For someone with sensitive skin, this is a big win. There's no redness or irritation, which I often experience with some anti-aging serums, especially those with stronger actives like retinol. In terms of real-world testing, I've used it both in the morning and evening as part of my routine. I applied it after cleansing and it felt refreshing every time. After about a week of use, I noticed a visible improvement in my skin's smoothness. My fine lines, particularly around my eyes and forehead, looked less pronounced. It didn't completely erase them, but it definitely made them less noticeable, which is pretty impressive considering that this is a gentle, non-irritating formula. The best part? No stinging or tightness, which is often a concern with anti-aging products. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, this serum is gentle enough for sensitive skin, which is a major perk for anyone who struggles with redness or irritation from other anti-aging treatments. The oat and cranberry extracts provide soothing benefits, while niacinamide helps brighten the complexion. Plus, it's fragrance-free and free from parabens, phthalates, and alcohol, which makes it a safe option for anyone with skin sensitivities. On the downside, if you're someone who's looking for a product that offers instant, dramatic results, you might be a bit underwhelmed. While it does improve the appearance of fine lines over time, it's not a miracle product. Also, the packaging could be a bit more robust. It's a standard plastic bottle, which does the job but doesn't feel as premium as some other high-end serums out there. When it comes to value for money, this serum sits at a mid-range price point. For the ingredients you're getting, oat, niacinamide, cranberry extract, along with the fact that it's safe for sensitive skin and fragrance-free, I'd say it's worth the price, especially for those who are new to anti-aging skincare or who need a gentle yet effective serum. You're paying for quality ingredients and the trust that comes with the Aveeno brand, which has been a dermatologist-recommended staple for years. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other anti-aging serums that are similarly priced, such as the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Serum, which contains retinol, or the CeraVe Skin Renewing Vitamin C Serum, which also includes niacinamide. But if you're sensitive to more potent actives or prefer something more soothing, Aveeno's Calm Plus Restore Age Renewal Face Serum is a great option. As for build quality, the packaging is functional, but it's not exactly luxurious. However, considering the formula's gentle approach, I can live with it. The serum has a decent shelf life, and as long as it's stored properly, you should be able to use it for several months without worrying about it losing its efficacy. Aveeno has a strong reputation for customer service, and while I haven't personally had to reach out for support, the brand generally receives positive reviews for its responsiveness and helpfulness. To wrap it up, I think this serum is a great pick for anyone looking for a gentle anti-aging solution that works over time. It might not deliver overnight miracles, but it does visibly improve skin tone and texture without irritating sensitive skin. I'd recommend it to anyone with sensitive skin looking to take preventative measures against aging or anyone in the early stages of noticing fine lines. It's a solid, no-fuss product that will fit into most skincare routines with ease. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you've tried this serum, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. We love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.